Here's one of the great cards we made at last month's card class, and we used the Citrus Blooms bundle, which means that we used the stamp set, the coordinating dies, and the matching paper. Now, I really featured the paper in this class. Everybody got some of the paper. They also got some of the gems and a spool of the linen thread, which is one of my favorites. So if you missed the class and you would like the tutorial for these projects, it's available as an instant download on my website. You can go to my Made to Create store at madetocreatewithlisa.com, and then there is a store tab on there, and then you can buy the instant download. Look how pretty this paper is. We just literally die cut these oranges out of the paper and mounted them on. Now I needed some friendship cards to send out to some of my very sweet friends, and so I went ahead and made several of these to send out today, and I'm really excited about it because I just love these oranges. There's also lemons, and so this is perfect for the summer season. Look how great that linen thread looks with this whole look. I love the blues, the navy and stuff, along with the orange and the yellows. Stampin' Up! Did a really great job with this paper. There are also orange images in the stamp set, but this was just an easy way to just die cut straight out of the paper and just finish the card. So we're going to add some of the matching gems, and then we'll be done. So you can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com for the download. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this idea, and I'd love to have you register for next month's class. Registration is open now on my website under the events tab at madetocreatewithlisa.com. Thanks so much for being here. I appreciate you.